Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can get free Docs coins on the Bitget app. I'll show you everything you need to know, how to go about it, how to participate in it, and how you can also get your Docs coins in your wallet on the Bitget app. So if this is what you're interested in, make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Now let's go straight to the point. Now before you can participate in this, you need to have USDT in your wallet or in your spot wallet on the Bitget app. Make sure you have USDT in your spot wallet on the Bitget app. Any amount of USDT. I'll be showing you the reason very soon. And in case you don't have any USDT in your spot wallet on the Bitget app, I have a video on how you can deposit on the Bitget app. The link to that video will be in the description below. It will show you the step-by-step guide on how you can deposit from your bank account to the Bitget app easily. Now, in case you don't have a Bitget account, you can use my referral link, which will be in the description of this video. So use the link to create an account and you can also participate in this. Now, just to let you know, if you use my link to create a Bitget account and then you participate in what I'm about to show you, you are even going to be getting more Docs coins on the Bitget app. I'll be explaining everything in this video. Just make sure you keep watching to the end. So again, create an account and then make sure you have USDT in your spot wallet. Now, once you've done those two things, come to the home page as you can see on the screen right here and click on where you have Pool X, where the arrow is pointing to. So this is the Pool X page on the Bitget app, and you can see where it says stake for new tokens, always on, always earning. What this means is that the Pool X page on Bitget is a place where you can stake your cryptocurrencies to earn new cryptocurrencies for free. So that is what Pool X is all about. So this is where we are going to be earning our Docs tokens for free. And then you can see where you have ongoing, starting soon, and ended. So these are where you can see the different projects on the Pool X page on Bitget. So ongoing, we show you the different projects that you can participate in right now, and then starting soon we show you the ones that will be starting very soon. Ended, we show you the ones that have ended. I hope you understand. So right now you can see where you have Docs right here. This is the one we are focusing on. You can see where it says total price pool is 500 million Docs coins. This means that Bitget is giving out 500 million Docs coins, which is a lot, to their different users. So in as much you participate in this that I'm about to show you, you are going to be part of the people that will be getting these 500 million Docs coins. Now, this pool is going to be ending in 3 days and 17 hours as at the time of making this video. So I'll make sure I post this video immediately after recording it so you guys can be able to join and get your tokens for free. And I can see where it says USDT newbie pool. It means that the coin you can stake for this is USDT. So that's why I say you must have USDT in your wallet. Now, some of you might want to now ask me that, does that mean that if I stake my USDT and they give me the free coins, does that mean that I will not be getting my USDT back? No. Now, once you stake your cryptocurrency, at the end of this project, you're going to get the free Docs coins and you're also going to get your USDT back in your wallet. So that is just it. It's not as if you are paying them to get the Docs coins. No, you're only staking it, and then once the project is over, you get your free Docs coins and you also get your USDT back in your wallet. I hope you understand. Now you can see where it says estimated APR, which is 219. Now I'm very sure some of you asked me that, does that mean that I'm going to be getting 219% in 3 days? No. APR means annual percentage rate or annual percentage return, anyone you want to put it. So what this is just saying that, let's assume that this is for 1 year. It means that you will be getting 219%. It's just showing you the value of that cryptocurrency. That if you participate in this token or in this project for 1 year, you'll be getting approximately 219%. So that's the meaning of that APR. So some of you will be thinking, does that mean I'll be getting 290% in 3 days? No. And I hope you understand. And this percentage can also vary every 1 hour. So it can be changing every 1 hour. And the reason why it might be changing is because, from now till maybe when the project will end, more people will be participating in this and more people will be staking more cryptocurrencies. So when people stake more USDT in this project, the APR will be changing, which will be varying. I hope you understand. So it can be changing every 1 hour. And then where you have cumulative staking, where you have 18 million USDT, this is showing you the total amount of money that different users have staked in this project. So you can see that for people to stake this amount of USDT in this project, it is something big. So if you want to be part of this, just come right here and click on stake. Now, once you click on stake, before I go ahead and stake this, you can see where you have the rules and the listing announcement. But let's check out the rules right here, because I want you guys to be able to know the rules for this very well. Now, as you can see on this page, it says dogs to be listed on Bitget Pool X. New users can stake USDT to share 500 million dogs. And I will come straight down to where you have stake now. To show you the staking period, which is from August 26th to September 2nd, 2024. And then you can see where you have USDT staking pool. I already mentioned that it is 500 million dogs coins. Eligibility for new users: only new users who sign up after August 18, 2024 are eligible. So make sure you use my link to create an account right now. And then you can see where you have maximum USDT staking limit, 2000 USDT, which means the highest amount you can stake for this is 2000 USDT. And then the minimum USDT staking limit is 5 USDT. So for those of you that want to ask what is the minimum amount, it is 5 USDT. Now, rewards per user, how you know how much you're going to get. It means that users staked USDT, how much you are staking, divided by the total staked USDT of all participants, multiplied by corresponding price pool. So let's say, for example, the user staked USDT is 100. So that will be 100 USDT. So that means I'm staking 100 USDT divided by the total staked USDT of all eligible participants, which is that 18 million we saw right there, multiplied by the corresponding price pool, which is 500 million dogs coins. So once you calculate that, whatever you get is the amount of dogs you are going to be getting in your wallet. And then you can come straight down here to read the terms and conditions. I'm very sure you can read the terms and conditions on your own. So once you've read the rules, let's go back. So once you're on this page right here, just come right here and click on stake. Now for me, I will not be able to stake because I'm not a new user that registered after August 18. So for new users who registered after August 18, you can be part of this project and get free dogs coins in your wallet. So once you get to this page again, click on stake right here and enter the amount of USDT you want to stake and just leave it right there. And then after 3 days or at the end of the project, you're going to be getting your dogs coins automatically in your spot wallet, and you also get back your USDT in your spot wallet. So you don't need to do anything. It will be transferred automatically back into your spot wallet. So this is how you can get free dogs coins in your wallet right now. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't have an account, use my link which is in the description of this video. And if you don't know how to deposit crypto or USDT in your wallet on Bitget, again, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.